how to add or remove the grayscale screen to sleep mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on modes and routines. In here, tap on sleep. After that, we scroll down to the others actions section. Then in here, to remove grayscale, just tap on the remove button, then tap on done to save the changes. If you want to add it back in, go to other actions. Then we scroll down to suggested actions and then tap on grayscale, tap on the add button, and then tap on done. Now when you start sleep mode, your screen will go into a grayscale mode. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.